Hey, what's up you guys? Chris here from T.Wheels, and today I'm going to be installing some LED lights on this electric scooter. Now, I've never done this before, so it's going to be a little bit touch and go, but to kick us off here, let's see what came in the packaging. Now, we bought these lights on Amazon, so I don't know how reliable they're going to be, but I think this is really going to help improve the aesthetic of the scooter. So, first off, we got the light strip. It comes all wrapped up with a couple of USB cables, which looks like that's going to be complicated. It looks like we also have some double-sided tape, which is great because, as you know, riding your scooter, it can get wet, it can get dirty. That means that the lights could fall off, so having extra will help you secure it to your scooter better. On top of that, we have a battery pack. Now, I've already opened this and gone through it. Put in the batteries. It takes 3 AA batteries. And then you also get a little pouch. Now the pouch you are supposed to install on the front of your electric scooter, latch it in, and you put the battery pack in there. So let's kick off here. First off, we're gonna install this little battery pouch on the front of our electric scooter. I'm just gonna make sure that everything fits. Looks good, looks great. For now, I'm just gonna throw that here. This part is probably going to be the easiest step in the process, so don't quote me if the video goes awry after this. You want to make sure that the bag is attached pretty securely to the front of the scooter. Obviously, you don't want the battery falling out when you're riding. It is going to slide around a little bit given the width of the stem here, but that's okay as long as it's at the bottom where it can't go down any further. You're probably going to be safe. Now, before we go any further, let's see if these lights actually work. Like I said, we got them on Amazon, so I'm not that confident in them. All you do is plug in this little USB here, and boom, there you go. The lights work, thank God. So we're going to throw the battery pack in there. I'm going to turn it off for now to save battery power. Now for installing the actual lights. I went through the packaging on this again, and it did not come with instructions, so we're just going to wing it. In fact, you can use this video as an instruction as to how to install it, but again, if you order one and they come with instructions, it's best to follow those. This is sort of just a how-to guideline from us here at T.Wheels. So I'm going to unwind the lights. It looks like on the actual wire, this doesn't come with a remote that you can customize the lights, but on the wire here, it's got 3 different buttons. You can choose what mode you want the lights to be in, how fast they flash, and what color you want to be shown. That kind of customization is really cool. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take this and we're going to slide it so that the lights will be on either side of the electric scooter. I'm also going to plug this into the battery just for now to help keep things in place while I'm putting everything together. So the case on the battery actually comes with a little slit on the top that you can stick the USB into. So you just want to make sure that the USB port is lined up with that hole. Plug it in like that, and then make sure that it's reattached to the scooter. So once you have the battery pack successfully attached to the scooter, you want to put the lights on. Now I'm going to turn this to the side so you guys can see what I'm doing, and kind of just balance the scooter on myself like that. Perfect. Now, in the packaging, you will see this red double-sided tape. This is heavy-duty industrial tape. I already tried to stick the lights on thinking that the lights came with double-sided tape attached, which they do not. So I'm just going to slide that off, stick it to the side. What you want to do with the double-sided tape is unroll it to the length of where you're going to be placing it. So roughly that much. Use your trusty scissors. Now you want to make sure this is secure when you're putting it on. For the sake of this video, we're putting the lights underneath the scooter. If you buy lights, you can install them wherever you want. I think that lights on the side will make the scooter look a little bit tacky, and we won't really get the whole light appeal that we're going for. So once you have the tape on the scooter where you want the lights to go, you're going to peel off this top layer. Again, it's double-sided tape, just like any other one. So one side is going to stick to the scooter, and the other side will stick to the lights. As you're going along here, you want to go slow. This tape does not feel like it's the strongest, so I'd even recommend using your own double-sided tape. You can buy it at Canadian Tire, Walmart, Amazon. Whatever you think will be necessary for securing the lights on your scooter properly. Boom. Once you've got that peeled off, you're going to take your lights and you're going to align it with the tape. Now, you just want to go slowly here, pulling one end so that nothing really bunches up, pressing the lights onto the tape. Once the lights are on, you just want to run your fingers over them, make sure that there's no air bubbles, make sure that there's no loose pieces. Like that. Okay, now for the other side of the scooter, we are actually going to do it on the side just for the sake of showing you guys what that would look like. Again, you kind of just want to hold the lights up and then measure the sticky tape based on the length of the lights, like that. Cut it and then install. So again, once you've got the tape in the place you want it to be, you just peel off this top layer of tape. Once you have that peeled off, I'm going to be honest with you guys, this tape does not look like it's going to hold pretty well, so I would suggest getting your own double-sided tape. But anyhow, just take the light, stick it on top of the tape, going slowly, making sure everything sticks well. As you get the lights on, again, just pat, 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 make sure everything is kind of just on there and secure. Big reveal, you guys. We're sort of in a dark area, so you can see the lights a bit better. This is what the lights look like on the side of your electric scooter. This is what the lights look like underneath your electric scooter. I personally think that the lights underneath look better. That's going to be great for night riding. Let's take a look at the little tab that they give you here, because they don't give you a remote. So you can click on the different modes. Red flashing is great for riding at night. Green flashing, cool. If you want one solid color instead of the lights constantly flashing, you can just press the color button and that'll change it to different colors based on what you want. This is a Bluetron, so hopefully we can find some blue color. Which it doesn't look like it comes with, but the red looks super cool, so we're going to stick with that. So there you have it, you guys. If you buy lights off of Amazon or from a third-party source and you want to install them, you can use this video as sort of a how-to. Honestly, after installing these lights, I'm going to be honest, it's not worth the investment. The lights don't seem to work that well. If you want lights on your electric scooter, just buy one that comes with lights like the InMotion or Kugo G2 Pro. But if you do, you can use this video as an instruction set. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to T-Dot Wheels for more electric scooter content.